Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing a nail video for you guys. This is the Kiss medium length Voguish Fantasy. These are multicolored and they're so pretty, so feminine, and I'm going to be using the medium length, but I'm going to be trimming them down so that they're more practical for me. The color on these FV01, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to be choosing my nails and then gluing them on. I'm going to wipe my nails with some nail polish just to kind of take any of the oils off. And I have let my nails breathe for the weekend, like a couple of days. I took my nails off. You can see the condition of my nails using these glue-on nails and press-on nails. I use the dollar store, Dollar Tree original super glue. You can actually get this from Amazon as well, but this is the glue that works the best with the nails for me. So that's what I'm going to be using to glue them on. I try to share ideas of things that I do to create my best life, and I'm not an expert, and even though we are not experts like Martha Stewart and those type of people who create amazing crafts and amazing foods, you know, like Joanna Gaines, you know, I show you how I incorporate that into my life by just, you know, everyday people. You know, we're not famous, but we, you know, can do it in our own lives. So hopefully you get some inspiration from my videos. Hopefully you will consider subscribing and coming back to see what I'm up to next. So let's get started on this nail video.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Say something meaningful. Say something.
All right, guys, so these are very, very pretty. I really, really love them. I think they look gorgeous. However, they're just a little too long for me. I won't be able to type with them. They are a little bit long. So I'm going to give them a little trim and I'm going to file them and then see how they come out. But these nails really do file well and they trim really, really well. But if you like them longer and you don't need to type or anything like that, or maybe you are proficient at typing with long nails, I'm not. I just can't do it. I make a bunch of mistakes, but they are very pretty. If you like a longer nail, you would really like these. These Voguish multicolored nails on point. So anyway, let me get my clippers and my nail file and I will be right back. All right, so I'm just gonna use my little clippers that I showed you in a previous video, which I will link up above here so you can watch after this video. But I'm just gonna give the tip a little clip and then I'm just gonna file it just a tad, just to soften the edges, and we'll see how they come out.
I don't know, I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable.
All right, guys. Well, I absolutely love how they came out. I love the length. I love the multicolors. My thumbs. These nails are the easiest nails to file. You just basically run the file over the tip of the nail, kind of round the edges. There's nothing to it, and they file so nicely. These are so perfect length for me. I'm going to be able to type, and they look so pretty and so feminine, and the colors are so neutral, and there's a mauve, there's a brown, there's a light pink, there's like a white, and I just think that they are just so neutral and so pretty, and these nails were the easiest nails to do. These nails were done in 15 minutes from start to finish, you know, choosing the nails and then gluing them on and then trimming them down. I just basically put my fingertip into this little clipper and squeeze, and it's easy, easy, easy. So anyway, guys, that is my nail video for this week. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I did pick these up at Ulta this past weekend, so I know that they should be available. I'm gonna try to find them on the Kiss website, and I will link them down below for you. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
You're beautiful.